In this video, we are going to talk about what is staking of tokens, and we'll keep it as simple as we can. Staking simply means things are at stake. So if I have one Bitcoin and I put it at stake, that means it's at risk, which means I'm probably asking for something. So if I go to my friend and I say, hey, you know what, I want to take your bike out and keep with me for 3 days because I'll need to do a bunch of things with it. Could you give me your bike? Your friend may come and say, give me something in return. And if you do not return my bike, that thing becomes my own thing. So at times, you can simply go and stake your tokens for certain things. Now, there are brilliant use cases that arise from it. For example, if I'm a miner, a Bitcoin miner, and I go and look at how Bitcoins are mined, there's something called proof of work that's being followed. But on other chains, there's something called proof of stake, which means that not anyone can go on and try solving a mathematical puzzle, because people will go on and try maybe rushing through it and end up making mistakes. So there's this concept called proof of stake, which means, hey, John can go and claim or be a miner and act like a miner if John has given, let's say, hypothetically, 100 Bitcoins to the treasury or 100 Ethereum to the treasury. Now, in case John goes and makes an incorrect validation, which means that they get corrupted and they go on and say, okay, I validate this as the right node and that is not the right node, because you would know eventually blockchains work that way, then John will be penalized. The 100 Bitcoins they put at stake, maybe a part of it or all will be taken away. Similarly, sometimes staking is also, hey, I have Ethereum and I really want to get this different token. So I'm going to put my Ethereum in your treasury at stake and take those many tokens of equivalent value or more value or less value from you. Whatever is the agreement between us. You could agree to give me more or you could agree to give me less, depending on how you and I have an agreement upon. But basically, I gave you my token, wherein I staked my token. And now I got this thing in return from you, and I may do whatever I want with it. So maybe I go on and invest it somewhere else and try to make it grow into more. Or maybe I go on and like give it to my friend. I do whatever with it. But the idea is that I staked a part of my token. So if I don't release it back to you, whatever I staked is also lost. And you get the idea. That's simply staking for you. Now, there will be brilliant use cases that you will run into with staking, that you give a part of it and you get this in return, and you'll enjoy exploring all of that. So with this understanding, please go ahead and explore. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.